So hello YouTube, in this video I'll be teaching you how I achieve this cake to be like this. Yeah, I think I like the way the colors are coming out. It's so colorful in its own way. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll catch you when I get back. Peace out. So honestly, I have no idea how this cake is gonna end. But welcome back guys. I believe by the time I'm watching this video, I've just released my Beanie Trip series. If you've not watched that video, please just do let your head straight and watch it. So basically, I'll be covering this cake with purple, starting off with purple. Then I'll be adding up another shade of maybe a darker shade of purple to match it, or a lighter shade of blue, just in the whole purple and blue color space. So heading up, I'll just cover this cake quickly and we would see when I get back. So I know there are some loose holes and loose gaps, so I'm just going to be covering this cake again with another color, maybe a darker shade of purple or blue. Maybe I'll use blue this time, so she just bring out the contrast in the cake in general. So I'll be using another shade of dark blue, I guess, or maybe blue, to cover this cake, and let's see how it goes. So be right back guys, let me just quickly mix the color and come and meet you back. So coming back, I just added a little bit of navy blue on the remaining buttercream. So I'll just be painting roughly on the body of. I'll just be painting roughly on the body of this. Starting from the top, I'm starting from the base. Just a rough cover, basically a semi cover. Is it a rough cover? Semi cover. So I'll just paint. So this is it. Not exactly what I planned, but yeah, basically this is it. I think I should what am I going to do to this right now? Okay, I'll just come with some good splash and add some flowers to it basically. So let me just bring my good splash and add some flowers. Right back guys. So I'm finishing this cake. Everyone is funny. I don't know if you can hear this. I'll just dry good those. I'll just be spraying it on the cake like this. So yeah, I created this touchy feeling kind of effect. So I'll just bringing it up and finishing it up with some. So I created this touchy gold kind of effect. So I'll just be bringing it up and finishing it up with some flowers. I think some purple and blue flowers will go well, and some white. Just kind of I'll put some white and yellow flowers just to increase the contrast base and make it really colorful. I'm not going to be putting any purple or blue flowers in this. So heading back, taking my front first. I think it's good for the front. So I'll just be adding my topper. Okay. I want this one sided. So I'll move to this side. Then the other side, I'll be adding some flowers. First I'll add this white base. First adding this big white base, I would just somewhere here. Okay, then carry on these small stems, using it to decorate it and bringing the flower to more life. Okay, okay, then I'll add some little pink rose along with it. Okay. Alternatively, I will add a pink rose here, just to build up the contrast. So I will add some roses there. I have this shade of blue. I could add it somewhere around here, so it will just bring out the contrast in it. So yeah, basically I'll add all these small fillings just to bring more life to the flower setup. So yeah, this is it. I think it needs some filling, so I will just bring. How do I do this? I'll bring this. I'll bring this and add it somewhere around here, just to complete the bouquet. Okay. So yeah, basically this is it, and I think I should add some butterfly. Yeah, I want the. So just adding a little of contrast to the cake. I'll just add this yellow butterfly here, just to really bring out the colors in it. So yeah, basically this is it, and I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. So I'm gonna sign out here and leave you guys to do whatever you guys are doing. Peace out.